Alright guys, let's do this. I'm gonna show you how to become a charcoal grill master in no time. We're talking supplies, setup, lighting that bad boy up, and cooking some killer food. It's gonna be awesome, so stick around and let's get grilling. Check this out, it's easier than you think. And the flavor? Oh man, it's gonna blow your mind. First things first, we gotta gather our supplies. You'll need charcoal, obviously, some lighter fluid, and your basic grill tools like tongs, spatula, the usual suspects. Oh, and don't forget a fire extinguisher nearby, just in case things get a little too exciting, if you know what I'm saying. Now let's set this baby up. Make sure your grill is on a level surface, away from anything flammable. Stack your charcoal in a pyramid shape in the center of the grill. It's that simple, really. Remove the grates and open up all the vents. We want good airflow, people. And hey, while you're at it, grab yourself a cold one. Grilling's thirsty work, am I right? Alright, time to light this puppy up. Squirt a little lighter fluid on the charcoal, let it soak in for a minute, then light it up. Let the charcoal burn until it's covered in gray ash, about 15-20 minutes. That's when you know it's ready for cooking. Check this out. If you can hold your hand about 5 inches above the grill for 3-4 seconds, you're good to go. Spread out the coals for direct heat cooking or push them to one side for indirect. Use the vents to control airflow. More open means hotter, more closed means cooler. It's like conducting a symphony of fire, you know what I'm saying? And remember, for most stuff, you want to cook with the lid closed to trap that awesome smoky flavor. It's that simple, guys, simple. Let's talk cooking techniques. For quick cooking stuff like burgers or steaks, you want direct heat. Slap them right over the hot coals. For bigger pieces of meat or delicate foods, indirect heat is your friend. Put the food next to the coals, not directly over them. And don't be afraid to move stuff around as needed. It's all about control, baby. Check this out. For a killer steak, sear it over direct heat for about 2 minutes each side, then move it to indirect to finish cooking. You'll get that perfect crust and juicy inside every time. When you're done cooking, let the grill cool down, then clean those grates while they're still warm. A wire brush works great for this. Oh, and if you're feeling fancy, throw some wood chips on the coals for extra flavor. Mesquite for beef, apple for pork. It's that simple. Take care of your grill and it'll take care of you. You know what I'm saying? Alright, that's all for now. Happy grilling, everyone. And there you have it, folks. You're now ready to rock that charcoal grill like a pro. Remember, it's all about preparation, controlling your heat, and showing that grill some love. Now get out there and start grilling. And hey, if you liked this video, smash that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more awesome cooking tips. Till next time, keep those flames burning and those taste buds happy.